What's up, Euro Squad? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video here with the TDI. In today's video, we're gonna be repainting and sanding down, totally restoring the little part on the hood, on the roof that has paint damage that's been there since I bought the car. So here's the setup we got. We got the lift arms just above the hood and windshield so that I can climb up there and stand on it. But yeah, you guys kind of know the drill from doing the hood and the door. So I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with how the painting process goes. Right. To start off with, before I do any sanding or anything like that, the first thing I'm gonna do is lay drop cloth down across the whole car as not to get any sanding dust on any of the surfaces and make the paint not stick. So let's get to that. Alrighty, got it all taped off. As you can see, I just ran a straight line following the contour of the sunroof across here because I think it's going to be easiest to blend afterwards and fade just a straight line. So we'll see how that works out. But yeah, now I got to sand it down and then we'll start throwing our paint on there. Also, there's some paint chipping in here, so I think I'll just spray over that, see how it turns out. So I couldn't get the paint chip spot totally sanded down, so I just sprayed some sealer coat down, and now we're gonna sand that all smooth, and then we can get to laying down our paint and clear. Liking how this turned out. You can see super smooth. You can't even feel that there's even any difference. So let's wipe this down one more time with isopropyl alcohol and then tack cloth it, and then let's throw a new liner in and get some base coat on this. Alrighty, never mind. I just made one of the dumbest mistakes since Netanyahu's parents. I got the 6-ounce refill kit instead of the 12-ounce that we need. So this will not work with our paint system. So let's go down to the store and get the correct ones.
I think it's going to take a lot more paint than I thought, because this is a slightly different color than the rest of the car.
You just finished laying down the paint on the roof and it came out pretty good. The spot around where I primered it, it kind of like built up a lot of the sparkly material that's in the paint. So that's not the best. It kind of left a little line, but I'm hoping when it dries fully, it'll turn out better. Also, I should have set up my white tent around the car because there did get some dust particles, like made these little circles in it. See there? Right there, it made like a little circle. I don't know how to explain it, but then, and then you can kind of see, if you look at it, yeah, there, just like that. You can see an outline where it built up. Overall, not bad compared to what we started with. Okay, so now let's trim the tape and the drop cloth here so that we can make this clear fade more naturally into the rest of the paint. So to start off, we're gonna want to peel this tape back here So as you can see, the paint left a little ridge there, so we're just gonna hit that with some sandpaper, and then we're gonna just retape it back here, or somewhere in here. And then I'll buff and polish it in like a few weeks. But yeah, let's set up a time lapse and get to it. Alrighty, as you can see there, that went pretty well. The finish came out really good. I'm really liking that. The only thing is I'm gonna need to buff this in a few days once it's more cured, but there's a little line from where the clear coat was, same here. But I think I can smooth that out and get rid of both those lines. But yeah, came out really good. Super shiny. The paint match is also spot on. So yeah, that came out pretty good. So let's get all this packing off and pull it out into the sun. So yeah, here it is out in the sun. That finish turned out perfect. It's super factory looking. I just love the way that looks. This angle here, I'll throw a picture up of what it looked like before, but this is a huge improvement. Saying that, if you guys liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and follow for more. I do have a new car coming for the next project, but it'll probably be here by the time this video comes out. But yeah, saying that, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next project, and as always, if you like cars, especially Euro ones, follow me.